At Berkhamsted, we develop remarkable people. Our education helps children not just to earn a living, but to enjoy lives worth living. There are 5 layers to our education: values, character, life skills, intellectual skills, and the fruit of all of this, our pupils' excellent results, both academically and in sport, music, drama, outdoor education, and many other areas. Our values: to aim high with integrity, be adventurous, and serve others. These values are at the heart of everything we do, broadening and uplifting our pupils' school lives. They inform us as we nurture, challenge, enable, direct, empower, and guide pupils to achieve more than they think possible. The development of character and life skills gives our pupils a platform to live outstanding lives after school. We help pupils develop skills of thinking about thinking. This enables them to grow in positive character traits and life skills. They even write their own reports. We teach them about character types, and through this teach them communication, self-regulation, and leadership. We help them to acquire not just the qualifications to get into good universities and fulfilling jobs, but also the skills that will earn their first promotion. I hope you will come to visit, meet our remarkable people, and join us.